My name is Devash Gurudesai and I'm from Mahila Middle School. I study standard 8.
Myself Archa Atul Naik. I study in Mahila Middle English High School. I am also from standard 8.
तुमचो प्रोजेक्ट कितें तो म्हाका सांग.
Yes. So our project is a face recognition based attendance recorder. So whenever you will come in front of the camera, if you are registered, it is going to mark your attendance automatically.
सो हे कित्याक युजफूल आसा.
So as we can see in the school, the teacher sits with that register book in the morning and she has to mark it manually. Instead of doing that, if they come in front of the camera, it will be marked automatically by the system. The teacher won't waste her time in sitting with the book and marking the attendance.
So my name is Ritik and these are my friends. We have made you a NetJet robot. The NetJet robot enhances communication between humans and machines. The robot trained human like speech enables it to interact with users in a more intuitive manner. The humanoid-shaped robot can be used in various industries to automate tasks that are repetitive or require minimal human intervention. For instance, it can be used in factories to perform quality control checks and defects to products. This robotic system has the capability to connect through Wi-Fi network and indirect user using speed recognition and synthesis technology. The robotic indicator icon speaker along with the power source. The Bluetooth module provides the robot with Wi-Fi statistics and the synthesis module allows the robot to recognize and generate human-like speech. Who is the CM of Goa?
माझं नाव जयेश रेड्डी. ओके, सो हो आसा ऑटोमॅटीक फ्लोर क्लिनर. तुमकां दिसता हो आसा आर्डिनो उनो मेन ब्रेक सारको आसता आनी हो आसता ब्रेकडावन डिवायस तो वोल्टेजाक कंट्रोल करता आनी दुसरो आसता ब्लूटूथ मॉड्यूल तो मोबायलाक कंट्रोल करता आसता. सो ताणें कित्याक केला घरान भुरग्यांक पेरंट्स सांगता की साफ बीन करा म्हणून उदक बीन पडल्यार ते म्हणटा की ना आमकां गेम खेळपा नाका आमकां गेम बीन खेळपा जाय म्हणून. सो हो असो एक ॲप केला तो ब्लूटूथासून कंट्रोल करता. सो तांकां पेरंट्स कितें आतां भुरग्यांचे अशें गेम बीन खेळपाक जाले आनी पेरंट्स साफ बीन करपाक जाले. सो बोथ पेरंट्स आनी भुरग्यांय हॅप्पी आसता.
My name is Abhinav Kalar. हांव महिला स्कुला कडल्यान स्टँडर्ड 8C. सो हो म्हाजो रोबोट आसा तो न्यू सपोर्टा. तो जेन्ना कोणाक मसल क्रॅम्प ऑर एल्स परत परत तांकां पांय कॅच येता तेच्या खातीर बनयला. हो कितें करता पांय वयर सकयल रोटेट करता जाल्यार कितें जाता जे मसल क्रॅम्प आसा ऑर एल्स कितें जाला पळय तें सगळें लूज जाता. ब्लड आसा पळय तेंय फ्लो जाता आनी जे नियेचें फ्रिक्शन जायना पळय तेंय फ्रिक्शन जाता. सो दीस इज ट्रायल बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट. मुखार तो चड एडवान्समेंट येतलो.
So we are from school Mahila Middle English High School and we are a team of 4. Myself Arushi, this is Karn, Tanishq and there's Shaurya. So we are from standard 8 and we have made a demonstration model of mission Aditya L1 which was launched on 2nd of September by ISRO. So first I will tell about the rocket. The rocket which has been used for the mission, its name is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle Extended Length Rocket. In short, PSLV-XL rocket. So by using this rocket, ISRO has launched other missions also like Chandrayaan-1, Mangalyaan and even AstroSat. So we'll first show the first stage of the rocket and then there's the spacecraft which is the Aditya L1 spacecraft. It will be placed on Lagrange point L1, and from that point it will start its mission objectives. That is to study the sun. So from that and to study it in a more better way, in a systematic way, it has gotten 7 scientific payloads in it. So all that payloads will be getting different tasks, and they will do like what tasks are they given to. So now I hand over it to Shaurya to give the electronic information.
So we use Arduino in our project. We use motor drivers to turn on the rocket motors and the orbital motor. So we also used Arduino Nano for the sun lights, and now I hand over the coding for
we use the software named Arduino IDE, the app which we use to make a code to transfer into Arduino Uno and Nano, which is used for making all use. So I'm ending our.
Thank you.
And our project is going well. Thank you.
The name of the rocket which is used in this mission is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle Extended Length. In short, PSLV XL rocket. So by using this rocket, ISRO has other missions also, like Chandrayaan 1, Mangalyaan, and even AstroSat. So that's the first stage of the rocket, and as we know, there are other further stages also of the rocket, but due to the lack of space, we can't show all of them. So this is the final stage of the rocket, which is the spacecraft. This is the Aditya L1 spacecraft. Yeah, that's the first stage. To study the sun, and to study the sun in a detailed, systematic way, it has 7 different types of payloads uploaded in it. So all the payloads will be doing different work, and they will not just focus on one thing, but will be doing multitask kind of. And yeah, any questions? We are all 8th standard, our team. Thank you.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.